So let me show you how to use Claude Code to create YouTube thumbnails. So I'll just show you like an example first, and I'll show you the steps that you can take to do it yourself right afterwards. So here I am in the Visual Studio Code, and it's already connected to Claude Code. And I just uploaded my headshot number 1, as you can see here, and also headshot number 2. So those are like the reference image that we're going to use. So next, let's come to the Claude Code chat here on the right side, and I'm just going to type /YouTube thumbnail. And then hit enter, and then it's going to run. So it's going to ask what's the video topic or title, and are there specific logos or screenshots that should appear in the thumbnail. So let me go with the title is how to use Claude Code to create YouTube thumbnail. Include logo of Claude Code and also logo of YouTube. Press enter, and then it's going to get to work. So what it's going to do is going to search for example, and then it's going to download the logos. Just hit enter here. So basically you just give the command, and then Claude Code is going to do the artwork for you. And then it's going to provide the 4 concepts, as you can see here, A, B, C, D. So that's the 4 different concepts of the thumbnail. So let me just hit enter, and then it's going to get to work. So as you can see here, both logos are downloaded successfully, and then it's going to generate the 4 thumbnails. And then when it's done, it's going to appear in here in workspace, and then it's going to automatically create a folder of today, and then the thumbnail is going to appear inside the folder. So let's check this out. So here we have the folder, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the first one. So my face looks a little bit weird. That's not really a good one. Second one, just so. Third one, this one is actually pretty good, I would say. And let's click on yes. So it's going to generate the comparison image. So here we have the 4 different concepts, A, B, C, D. D is actually not bad. Only the image of me is not right, but we can also like swap that out. The best one I would say is probably concept C. So let's go with concept C. So I'm going to say I like the concept C the best, but instead of the logo of Anthropic, can it say Claude Code instead? Because I think people are more familiar with Claude Code, and I'm going to say the rest can stay the same. So we're going to take concept C, and then we're going to make some minor adjustments to it. Click on enter, and then it generated the version 2 here. So now we see the Claude Code logo instead of the Anthropic logo, and the rest is the same. So this was the before, and this is the after. So overall, it's pretty good, I would say, but I want to adjust the sizing of the letters and the logos. So let's go into Canva. Let's go to create. Type in YouTube thumbnail. Let's come back here and click on Reveal in Finder. So I'm going to drag this image here. So I'm going to expand this so that it fits perfectly here into the 4 corners. There we go. And how I'm going to edit this really easily is to just click on the image and come into edit and just click on magic layers. And it's basically going to separate the different layers so that you can edit them. So here we go. So let's say if I want to move my image to the right, because I think it looks better like this. In the Claude Code and YouTube, I feel like it can be smaller, just a little bit smaller. And then these images, I think, can be just slightly smaller. And instead of basically cheating, all right, so let me replace the text with no designer needed. So here what we have so far. So I replaced the text with no designer needed, and then I kind of resized this as well. So I think if you want to make this even better, I think if we replace the middle images to actual thumbnails that we created, that would be even better. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just leave this because I think this is already decent. But the main thing is I just wanted to show you how to use Claude Code to create these thumbnails, and it just makes everything so much easier.